NCPCR has now written to Twitter over Rahul Gandhi's tweet where he posted a photo of the rape victim's family. Remember how the BJP has already hit out at the Congress leader for revealing the identity of the victim's family, and the NCPCR now has written to Twitter over Rahul Gandhi's tweet. Remember, this is a tweet which Rahul Gandhi posted with a photo of rape victim's family. This is about the alleged rape and murder that has taken place in the national capital of the minor girl, and certainly political controversy that is also shaping up around the same. Delhi police meanwhile has also registered a case against the four accused on basis of the statement of minor's mother, who alleged that her daughter was raped, murdered and then cremated without their consent. So you have a letter now that has been written essentially by the NCPCR to Twitter over Rahul Gandhi's tweet, because this is a tweet in which Rahul Gandhi has put out a picture of the victim's family as well. So the BJP also earlier on, just this morning, was heard slamming Rahul Gandhi for revealing the identity of the victim's family. You have the police officials who have in fact confirmed that this girl lived near the crematorium, and there has been a big controversy that has broken out on why the cremation took place without the consent of the family. We have Piyush who's joining us on the phone line with more details. Piyush, yes, tell us more about this letter that is now has been written by the NCPCR over Rahul Gandhi's tweet.
Well, in fact, Krishnan, this is a notice which they have issued to Twitter, in which they have asked Twitter to take actions against Rahul Gandhi's Twitter handle after the kind of tweet which he posted and revealed the identity and pictures of the family members of parents of 9-year-old girl who was allegedly raped and killed. This after the kind of allegations were also leveled by the BJP, and they had sought actions from National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. They also accessed that copy, and I'm reading a few excerpts from this copy, which reads that the Commission has received a complaint in which it has been brought to the Commission's notice that a photo of a minor girl victim's family has been posted with the caption stating that they are father and mother of the victim child on the Twitter handle at the rate Rahul Gandhi. In the said photo, the faces of the victim's fathers and mothers can be seen, which they were revealed.
Piyush, I'll come back to you. I'm going to have to interrupt you there. We have the NCPCR Chief Priyank joining us on the phone line. Priyank Kanungu, tell us about the letter that you've written essentially to Twitter now, because this is something that is being talked about on why is it that this picture was posted, because it reveals the identity of the victim's family.
देखिए, ये सेक्शन 23 और 224 का वायलेशन है, इसलिए हमने दिल्ली पुलिस को और ट्विटर को दोनों को एप्रोप्रिएट एक्शन के लिए लिखा हुआ है, और उनसे हमने 3 दिन में इस पर एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट मांगी।
प्रियांक, अब राहुल गांधी उस फैमिली से मिलके भी आए हैं, और पॉलिटिकल सर्कल्स में भी काफी आपस में लोग लड़ाई झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे को बोल रहे हैं कि किसकी गलती है इस केस में, किसकी वजह से नेग्लिजेंस हुआ, और प्रोब सही टाइम पे क्यों नहीं इनिशिएट किया गया। बट एनसीपीसीआर का अगर देखा जाए कि एनसीपीसीआर जो अभी ऑब्जेक्शन रेस कर रहा है, तो वो क्या एंगल पे फोकस कर रहा है एनसीपीसीआर?
देखिए, हमने ऑलरेडी दिल्ली पुलिस के डीसीपी को नोटिस करके उनसे एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट इस पर मांगी है। किन परिस्थितियों में बच्चे को क्रिमिनेटोरियम में पानी लेने के लिए जाना पड़ा, वहाँ पे ऐसी कौन सी परिस्थितियां हैं जो बच्चों को असुरक्षित बनाती हैं, क्या वहाँ पे लोगों का जो काम करने वाले हैं पुलिस बैकग्राउंड चेक हुआ या नहीं, इन सब बिंदुओं पर हमने डीएम से भी जानकारी मांगी है, हमने दिल्ली पुलिस से भी जानकारी मांगी है। तो हमारे पास जब रिपोर्ट्स आएंगी तो हम कुछ कहने की स्थिति में होंगे।
All right, the NCPCR has issued notice to Twitter over Rahul Gandhi's tweet, and unfortunately we're looking at politics taking place over the rape of this minor. Priyank, now this is a story that concerns each one of us. This is about security of our girls, of our daughters in the country, and what is all the more shocking is, and what the family is also raising objections to, is how after the alleged rape and murder, shockingly, the body was cremated without their consent. We'll try and reconnect with Priyank, the NCPCR chief, because the NCPCR has written a letter over this tweet to Twitter itself. BJP earlier on, just this morning, the BJP also hit out at Rahul Gandhi for revealing the identity of the victim's family